For years, the idea of a foldable iPhone has hovered in the background of the tech world, constantly rumored, endlessly discussed, but never confirmed. Now, that long-standing speculation might finally be approaching reality. A series of fresh leaks suggests Apple's first folding iPhone could arrive sooner than many expected, and the signals pointing toward that possibility are becoming increasingly difficult to ignore. Over the past few days, several new reports have surfaced, and together they're starting to form a clearer picture. What makes these leaks particularly interesting isn't just the information itself, it's the credibility of the sources sharing it. Many of them have accurately revealed details about upcoming devices before, which makes the timing of these latest claims especially intriguing. One of the most notable pieces of information comes from the well-known tech tipster Instant Digital. According to the latest leak, the specialized foldable displays being manufactured by Samsung for Apple are now getting ready to move into mass production. In the smartphone industry, that step usually signals that a major device is getting closer to launch. When display manufacturing begins on a large scale, it typically means development is entering its final stretch. At that stage, companies are often preparing to introduce the product to the public. If Samsung is indeed ramping up production of these foldable panels for Apple, it suggests the device may be much closer to reality than many people expected. Another respected source, Fixed Focus Digital, has also shared a detail that could become one of the defining features of Apple's foldable device. According to this report, the crease on Apple's folding display may be significantly flatter and far less noticeable than the ones currently seen on many foldable smartphones available today. That improvement could have a major impact on how the device feels to use. One of the most common complaints about foldable phones has always been the visible line running through the center of the screen. If Apple manages to reduce that crease in a meaningful way, opening the device could feel far more natural and uninterrupted. Some discussions within the industry even suggest that Apple's display could achieve a level of flatness beyond what most foldable panels currently offer. If that proves accurate, it wouldn't just be a small improvement, it could represent a noticeable step forward for foldable screen technology as a whole. This intense focus on minimizing the crease isn't exactly surprising. Previous reports have repeatedly claimed that Apple has been investing significant effort into making the fold line as subtle as possible. That level of attention could also explain why the company has waited so long before entering the foldable smartphone category. Apple's approach to new product categories has always been careful and deliberate. Instead of racing competitors to be first, the company often waits until the experience feels fully refined before launching something new. That strategy may be exactly what's happening with the foldable iPhone. Because of that slower, detail-focused development process, the final device could feature a crease that becomes almost invisible during normal use. If Apple manages to deliver that level of polish, it could significantly change how people view foldable phones and potentially influence the direction of the entire market. At the same time, Apple won't be entering an empty field. Competition in the foldable space is becoming increasingly intense as more companies attempt to improve the technology. Several manufacturers are working on their own solutions to reduce the crease that has long defined foldable displays. One device already drawing attention is the upcoming Oppo Find N6, which is also rumored to prioritize a nearly invisible fold. With multiple companies pushing toward the same goal, the race to create the most seamless foldable display is clearly heating up, and the next moves from Apple could play a major role. Despite that growing competition, Apple's moment may still stand out above the rest. Current expectations suggest the company could introduce its first foldable iPhone in September 2026, possibly alongside the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. If that schedule holds, the announcement could become one of Apple's most significant launches in years. The timing would also carry special meaning. A foldable iPhone arriving in 2026 would coincide with the 50th anniversary of Apple itself. Introducing an entirely new device category during such a milestone would be a powerful statement. And if the leaks are correct, this could be only the beginning.